Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video we are going to learn how to send large video in Gmail. So guys, let's go. So now first of all we have to go to our Gmail app. Then select Compose. Click here and press on Attach File, and you have to select your videos. Now you can see we can't able to send this video because this video is too large to send. For sending a large email, you have to follow a trick. Now I'm going to show you this trick. First of all, you have to go to your albums and select your video and click on share button. Click on Google Drive. Here you can change your file name. I'm changing mine. Click on Save. Now you have to go to Google Drive. Here we can see our file is uploading. Now press on three dots and press on copy link. Now go back to your Gmail app. Press on Compose. Select email. And press on Compose email and paste your file. Now send your email. This is how we can send large video in Gmail. So guys, that's it. You can do it. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.